Hey guys, it is me Ubaid, and today I have this very interesting video or the integration which can help a lot of teams and businesses, right? So what we have here, we have our 3CX, which is a PBX system for call centers or the communication businesses, right? And this will be connected to our LiveKit agents or AI agents in general. It can be LiveKit, your custom agents, it can be retail AI, it can be VAPI, anything, right? So all of your calls will be which are coming to your PBX system. Those who don't know what is a PBX system is, basically these are the phone systems which handles all of your incoming and outbound calls for your business or company, right? Okay, so now we will connect this to our AI agents because that's the future, right? And that's where the world is going. Okay, so I am in my 3CX. There are some of the users. We will focus on these ones. I have created an user with the name AI agent, and this will be basically our AI agent taking our calls, right? On the other end, I have my agent running on. Okay, so I will just start my agent here. So this is the Replit environment. I have made an environment to run my LiveKit agent here. So if I just run this command, I will get my agent running. Yeah, right. So we have the logs, which means the agent is initialized. Now we can basically take the calls to this agent. Okay, now what we will do. So the scenario we want is I will use my go high level to in-app dialer to call the number, and so the call will be entering in our 3CX, right? And here it will be the trunk, right, which I have set up through Twilio. Now this is the number which I will call. So I will just copy this, and this number is basically which is connected to 3CX, and it will be a IVR system. So it will say press 2 for connecting to our AI agent, right? That's how most companies conduct their business calls, right? They have an IVR setup because you don't want AI to take call directly. There has to be some kind of uh, okay, some kind of announcement or warning, right, that we will be talking to an AI, right? Okay, so this is the number. Now I will call and you will see how we connect our agent or our call to this LiveKit agent. Okay, enough talking. Hey, thank you for calling here. Please press 2 for talking with our AI agent. This is not the AI agent. This is just the recording. I just recorded myself and I will show you where I put this. So this is just like the receptionist in the 3CX, which is saying like press 2 to talk to our AI agent. Now the moment I press 2, it will connect to our LiveKit agent and you will see how. You see?
Thank you for calling.
Hey, anybody there?
Thank you for calling Alizet Medical. This is Robin, your healthcare coordinator. This call is protected under HIPAA privacy regulations. How may I help you today?
Okay, what can you do for me, Robin?
I'm happy to explain how I can assist you. As your healthcare coordinator at Alizet Medical, I can help you with several services. 1. Scheduling medical appointments, both in person and telehealth.
Can you
visits. 2.
schedule it for me,
Helping with
please?
I'll be happy to help you schedule an appointment. However, before we proceed, I'll need some important information from you. 1. Your full name. 2. Have you been seen by
Okay,
our
thank you.
providers
Bye bye.
before? 3.
Okay, so I just disconnected. But you see the flow, how it is getting connected to an AI agent through our PBX system, right? And yeah, that will be the motive of this video. And here you have to set all of your keys like the Cartesia, because I'm using Cartesia here, the deep tram, the livekit, right, and any other service you are using. Now I will just show you how you can implement this setup on your system or businesses, so that you can go back and forth with it and try it for your own business. And if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to email or the WhatsApp and we can build things together. Okay, let's see how we are doing this setup. And this is very straightforward, not the easy but the straightforward. So you just have to understand the flow and then it will be replicatable. If you miss a point, then there is no way you will do it the easy way, right? Okay, so what we have two users. First of all, you see, in the team, one is let's say the main user who will handle the 3CX call, and the other is the AI agent. For the AI agent, you have to specify a number which is connected to your agent. It can be a Jambos, so you just search for Jambos and you can have a look at it. It will reduce all of your Twilio pricing and all that. So you just connect your Jambos number to this agent so that you don't pay for double Twilio pricing, right? One is the AI agent, one is the 3CX attendant. What they call is digital receptionist. Now you have specified this number. Now when somebody calls, you have to create a trunk to attend that call. And how you can do it, you just go to voice and chats and you create a trunk. I have created it with my Twilio account and connected this number to this trunk. Now this user or trunk is routing my calls to this user, right? And if I just show you, so this is the user, and if I go to users, now I click on this user, you will see it is connected to my department, which is the natures, right? Now if I go to this department, exactly how I go there is call handling, and this is the receptionist which is handling all of the call. Now this was the start prompt which you heard. I think I can play this also to again show you that which you heard in the starting of the file. Hey, thank you for calling here. Please press 2 for talking with our AI agent. So this is what you heard at the very start of the call when it is connected to your 3CX. And when you press 2, it will connect to our this user, which is the AI agent. So it will call that agent and get it connected to your user, who is not directly connected to your agent, who is connected only through 3CX. Now 3CX is handling all of your connection with the AI and all that, right? So that's where the integration is, right? Okay, I think that is it for this video. Obviously, if you want to know about the all the like how you can build agents and all that with the retail WAPI or livekit, you will find a lot of videos on my channel and all the YouTube is there. But for this video, the purpose was to tell you how you can connect your AI agents to your PBX systems One of them is 3CX. There are many others also, but 3CX is like the legit and the most used one, right? Okay, nice. I will meet you in the next video, and if you have any doubts, you can reach out to email or the WhatsApp, and I will be very quick with replies because I get a lot of these doubts, I get a lot of these queries. I like to explore stuff, right? So I talk with a lot of people and yeah, get their things sorted. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel because I will be doing a lot of videos, these AI videos a lot. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.